Will Supra still be here in 5 years? That is the $1,000,000 question. I hope it still is. I believe it still will be here. The question is, are you believing it yourself? What is up, guys? It is Crypto Audit King. Thank you so much for watching the video, for clicking on it. I know I didn't make a video yesterday. I do apologize. Baby was sick. We had to take him to the doctor to get some meds, and especially some injections and all that, the vaccines that he needed. So he did end up getting a cold and really rough cough. So I just had to make sure my baby was good. So I decided to take one day off. So those of you that were waiting for a video, I apologize. I know I have pending messages on Twitter. I have pending messages on Telegram. I'm still going to go through there. By the way, my Telegram chat room is going to be down below in the description. Private members, I apologize. I haven't been active the past few days. I'll try my best to get it up to date. I think that's pretty much everything. So right now I'm minting some TuneSwap NFTs on Crystara, just so I can build up my inventory, just because of what they are doing, what they're building, the rev share, the rewards, the stuff that they're doing. I like it. This is not a paid membership. It's not nothing. I'm not getting money behind that. So I'm just minting some, and I'm also minting a little extra so I can do some giveaways. So be sure to be subscribed. Follow me on Telegram, on Twitter, on TikTok, all the links down below. So that way you can have a chance of winning something. I don't know what the giveaway is going to be dealing with, but I'm still thinking about it right now. So on to Supra. I have not done technical analysis, or I haven't even looked at the Supra charting in days. So it's going to be fresh, new technical analysis, and I'm starting to see a little bit of a curvature. And I'm giving you honest, transparent technical analysis, prices, targets, everything. So I hope you respect what I say. If it's bearish, it's bearish. If it's bullish, it's bullish. And don't always go off of the title of the YouTube video. Never go off of that. Be mindful about what I say in the video, and watch the full thing too, because in the beginning I could say something, but then later on, halfway through the video or towards the end of the video, because it has happened a few times, towards the end of the video, I see a new pattern, I see a new trend, I change my perspective, I change my idea and analysis. So that gives it a better way, a better reason about why you should just watch the full clip. Okay, so those of you that watch the full thing, thank you very much. Right now, today, we are looking at a November 8th. It's very late right now. It's almost 9:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this video is going to come out late to you guys. Baby hasn't slept pretty much all day. He just got knocked out. I got time. I'm making a video for you guys. I'm actually going to make another video, probably a Caspa video. So that way the Caspa community can also have a little bit of info on that end. So 001594 is what we're looking at right now. My red line was pitch perfect. We literally bounced from here, and I even said, those of you that were listening and watching my content, I know you guys heard it too. Prove me down below in the comment section that you heard it. I said that we were going to go up top, test the 34, even the resistance. I think I mentioned the resistance. I can't remember. But I did say the 34 was going to be a big resistance zone. But the point I'm saying is, I said that we're going to come back down and do a double bottom. A triple bottom is still in play, but that double bottom prediction that I said is perfect. We saw it right here. Matter of fact, the wick candle went right under my red line, but look at this. This bounce right here was dead perfect. Look where I drew my circle, right? This random line prediction that I said where it was going to head to and we were going to see a bounce. It literally bounced exactly where the candlesticks are at right now with my line. What more do you want? I do not draw the lines to benefit me. I've been saying this multiple times, and I sound like a broken record. I get really lucky whenever I draw certain lines. Like, I just randomly do some crazy lines, and somehow it plays out just right. For example, here, you can just go back to videos, compare it one to one if you want to. I don't move them to benefit me and show that I'm, predicting right and all that stuff. I just get lucky. But you can tell from the previous videos to right now, overlap them, do whatever you want to. I don't move my lines at all. These are all exactly where they are at. If I move my support and resistance lines by accident in a video, is proof that I accidentally moved them, so I move them back, and that way I can just keep a record of it. Because I like to show and prove that I'm not a two-faced type of play where I just tell you one thing and trying to benefit me, trying to make me look good. I'm not perfect. I try my best to tell you things how they are to the best of my ability. I'm not 100% accurate on my stuff, but I am 85% accurate on my calls, like so right here and back here and way back here, multiple times, man. So if you are a long-term subscriber, then you know by now what I say means a lot, okay? At least that's the way I'd take it. I want to be the mentor I never had myself. We are looking very solid on this bounce. The 1334 is still looking very bearish, but we are seeing a very small curve into the 1334 MAs, which may result in a cross. It's still bullish. This is the daily. It's still bullish, but it's going to be very difficult, but it's very possible we could form a bullish pattern in due time. I'm not saying tomorrow, I'm not saying 2 weeks, I'm not saying in due time. It looks like we are trying to form a bullish pattern. I've already said this multiple times, and I'm gonna say it again. Even though we do end up doing a very bullish run, we will have some pretty difficult resistance lines to break. Simply because if we continue going up, we will have one, the resistance line of my yellow line. Two, we will have the 34 moving average. Let me start off by saying it's actually, even though we're above the 13, I kind of say we're good on that side because the 13 can also act as a resistance, but since we are above it, I'm going to say we are on the clear for now. But point is, the 34 MA will also act as a very strong resistance. So it's a double collision there for us to trigger. We need a massive green candle, a lot of volume, some big news. Josh needs to not come up with something. I should reword the way I'm saying it. Josh should announce or could announce. I'm trying to find the right wording because I don't want to say something I shouldn't or people misinterpret what I say. I'm, just trying to be safe about it. But Josh may do or say or announce or update, launch something. We don't know that could trigger this to just shatter the resistance. But then again, nothing may happen and just normal volume, normal trades, whales, profit takers, I don't know, day traders, whoever it is, whatever it is, if the normal play just occurs, a normal day, then we will get rejected and come right back down, forming that triple bottom. I'm giving you every scenario possible because you deserve every way. I don't want to bash always bullish content. I don't want to always be very bearish, but if I see a light in the tunnel, I try to give you that information that you need so you can be aware of it. Take it as a grain of salt, but that way you can be aware of what I'm trying to say. I feel very grateful and very privileged of where I'm at. Like, I really do appreciate it. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. And of course, you being the subscriber and stuff like that. But it means the world that I'm able to send out a tweet or even comment on a post that a dev be sending out and I get to respond back. Like, it gives me such warmth that I have that wording, that trust. You get me? So me being able to comment on Josh's stuff and him replying back to me, it does mean the world. It really, really does. Because For many years, I was doing content, not getting recognized at all, like nothing. I was doing daily Zen YouTube videos for like a year, and not once did I even get a follow back, not even a comment, not even a reply, not even a thank you, none of that. And I wasn't getting paid to do them videos, which by the way, I'm not getting paid to do SUPRA YouTube videos at all. I'm not receiving any payments. I have to legally inform that I am if I was to get some sort of payout, right? But I'm not. I just love SUPRA. I love the community. I love the technology. The price looks very solid. So that's why I do my videos, man. I just love the content. I love doing the videos for you guys. So I'm not really getting compensated for it, but I feel like still in the very long term, this is something massive. I trust it. I'm willing to put my money where my mouth is and invest into this. But of course, I always use monopoly money. Let me tell you the very short term. Long story short, man, I just really do appreciate everybody, you know, especially Josh. Shout out to Josh. I'm trusting you. I'm believing in you that you will get shit done the right way and take your time with it and don't and not like force it in. You get me? Kind of like a little bit of a that holders community guidance that we need, not just like, oh, I'm gonna just wing it just because who cares about the shareholders, who cares about the token holders, and so on. Like there has to be that meet in the middle where you want to help the holders, you want to, you know, benefit the community, benefit the token, benefit the technology behind it, make it grow together as a family. That's literally what it is, a family, because we would not be where we are at right now if it wasn't for that. Okay, so onto the very short term 4-hour chart. It looks like we are bullish. We will probably start going up here in the next 4 to 16 hours. We will probably have a run up to at least 1721. As of right now, anything can change. 4 to 16 hours, it seems like that's where it's on its way right now, but it's trying to go to 19. Keyword, it's trying. But like I said, on the daily chart, that 1334 is going to cause some very hard resistance zones to break. That's my 2 cents. I hope you respect my decision and my alerts as much as I respect your comments. I get both backlash and positive feedback. I take them both into consideration and I respect them every way possible. So if you're watching this, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Communicate, click the like button, share the video. Just do what you got to do so that way it can continue spreading the word about Supra. I don't care about revenue. I don't care about all that stuff. I just want to grow the community. Not me. We are at 11,150. I think it was. Yeah, 11,150 subscribers and growing every single day. Thank you. I will see you tomorrow in the next YouTube video. Take it easy. I'm out. Peace.